Okay, let's fix the wheel first. So put in, press on something hard. Okay, right. This one, another wheel, push it in. Right. Go to somewhere whereby there's a hole so that you can push in all the way. Then after that, this one goes in. Okay. Okay. Then this one I'll take out. Put this in so that I can press. Then my hand is not painful. So we have settled one. Then now we'll look for another spindle. Alright, we settle two. Okay. Then after that we'll go through holes here. This one is the front wheel. Then make sure it's smooth. Then this is the back wheel. Okay, this is done. Then now let's do the motor and the casing. Right, so this wire here, the wires are already bad for you, so go through the hole here. Right. Then this one you have to use a little bit of force to push it in. Yeah, going from here. Okay, you can see the wire behind, so this place is for the wire. Force it in. Okay, so this is also, so now we have to put this small little pulley on this spindle. So the easier way, I think, to me, is to put it here on the floor first, then press on it, then it won't be painful for you. Okay, so it's going to be like that. Okay, we are also given 3 pieces of 3M double-sided tape, so we are supposed to tape this motor here on this platform. So make sure that this pulley here align with this bigger pulley on the wheels. So somewhere here, we'll put the double-sided tape somewhere here. Oops, here. Right. Put it somewhere here. Then after that, this is the holder for the solar cell. So you can slice one part here so that it's inclined, then you can stick it here, but for me I'll just stick it on top so that it cover up this way. So again, we need to have another double-sided tape here. Anywhere here, doesn't matter. So make sure the hole is facing outside here, facing the front, so that the wire can go through. We have this, then the wire will go through. Oh, let me see here first. Okay, we are going to stick it. If we are going to stick it here, we're going to stick it here. If you're going to stick it here, then the wire no need to go through. We just connect. So it depends on where you want to stick. The wire can go through. Okay. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this solar panel. So I'm a bit lazy. I don't want to slice it so that it can be something like an angle. I just put it flat. Yes. Then I'll just stick it here. Okay. Then you can see here there's red wire. So red and red, you just twist them together if you want a temporary effect. If not, you can use a scotch tape to tape it up. So for me, I only want it to be temporary. And the black one, as long as the metal conductor, electrical conductor touches each other, then it will be good. Okay, oh, I didn't twist properly, it came off here. Okay, then let's try our car. Oops, before that I've forgotten about this. Need this to go through the big pulley, the small pulley and the big pulley, that way. So when the theory is when a light shines here, the light energy converts to electrical energy, and electrical energy will go through this particular motor and convert to kinetic energy to make this thing spin. Then the wheels will move. Let's try. So the light here must be bright enough. So if it's too far, it doesn't work. So when it goes near, you'll find that the wheels is moving already. Okay.